You have a demo?
I have a demo.
Welcome.
Okay.
Sure.
Here we go. So I've demoed a lot of this before, but it's getting very close now, and there's been quite a bit of polish and some additional functionality added. So I figured it was hopefully worth sharing the progress to get people hyped up for what should be landing very, very soon. So, as many of you know, I've been working on customizable roles, and here's the new role setup screen. So this is in the admin stuff, and you can see that we've got the different existing kind of base role groups, and then within each of those, I can come in and say, oh, hey, I want to either customize the base role, which would be like changing the things that this base role can do um, without having to then go and assign new roles to everybody. So if you just want to change your existing role behaviors without reassigning new roles, you can't customize the base role. So I can do things like disable uploading CSVs or scheduling, things along those lines. Ooh, okay, that's cute. But to kind of show off the other behavior that's new here, we can, within each group, we have role resolution. And so you order which role would win if, say, they have a role from two different user groups or the connection-based role and also set on their user. So right now I've got this querier and this duplicated, extra new querier role that I've added that has some things disabled on it, just to kind of show what's going on there. Here's this user, and currently they are resolving to the querier role, even though they've got querier with disallowed set on their user, but the base role for the connection is querier. And as you see in here, querier has a higher precedent resolution than querier with disallowed. This is actually hasn't picked up that change. So you can see that this is the querier role unedited. If I come back in to here and I modify the precedence of the resolution order, then jump over here, you should see that now that same user is now resolving to querier with disallowed because I changed the precedence order, and now in the app or as that user, you'll see that CSV and save spreadsheets are gone, so they can't do those things. And similarly with like download and upload, whatever the other scheduling, those things are also disabled if we were to click through all of that. So just wanted to show we're making really good progress. I'm getting close to putting that into a PR that will be getting reviewed and hopefully ship as soon as next week. So here we go.
Conrad, that the precedence concept, does that only take place within roles of the same? Okay.
Yeah, so you can the role priority setting is within a role group.
Yeah. Okay. Because outside of that, it's essentially most permissive wins.
That's right. So if, for example, a user has would potentially get a role for querier and also potentially get a role for viewer, say from the connection based role, they're going to get necessarily that querier role, even if there's some customized viewer.
Okay, that UI actually does a really nice job of explaining that, I think. So that's cool.
Cheers to Jared and the design team on that.
Well, looks great.
Cool.